Exercise number 3 asks us to write a program that prints all the even integers from 0 to 50. If you've done exercises 1 and 2 here, this should be easy, right? We know that we're going to need to write a for loop. We're going to know that we're going to need to do a range function, and the only thing that we need to figure out is how to structure that range. So what I want to do is loop through all the even integers between 0 and 50, inclusive, print each integer. There's our good comment here. It's a fantastic comment. This is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to loop through all the even integers between 0 and 50 inclusive, and then we're going to print each integer out. It's very simple. We're going to do it. We need a for loop. We're going to use I because this is a pretty simple for loop, so I is a perfectly acceptable variable name for our iterator variable here. We're going to make a range function. So for I in range, and let's just put 50 here for now, then we're going to print I, right? So save, print, that gets us every integer between 0 and 49. So we know that's wrong. Instead, we need 51, right? Because range is not an inclusive range, it's an exclusive range, so it excludes the number that you stop at. So this gets us now all the numbers 0, 50. All right, awesome. Now, how do we print all the even integers? Well, printing even integers only sounds like instead of counting up by 1, we probably want to be counting up by 2s, right? So if I put a step variable of 2 here and go ahead and add a start variable, a start parameter here of 0, save it, run it, then here we get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc., all the way up through 50, inclusive. That's good. However, what if you're the kind of person that likes to argue that 0 is not an even integer? Well, you're wrong, first of all, but that's you have the right to be wrong. So let's fix this for those of you who are 0 even deniers, and instead start directly at 2, which in your skewed version of the world is the first even integer. And so if that is how you live your life, if that is how you live your truth, that 0 is not an even integer, this version is for you. There you go. Nice and easy.